Hello, my name is Lauren Tucker. This is my project for visual programming. I created a favorite movie rater. It's a Windows form desktop app built in C#, and the goal is to let users add movie titles and rate them from 1 to 5 stars. This can be used to keep track of movies you've seen recently or your favorite movies. After adding a few movies, you can select Sort by Rating to organize them from highest to lowest. The app also calculates and displays the average rating, the highest rated movie, and the lowest rated movie. It's a simple way to show the programming concepts we've learned recently, especially in Lecture 7, Part 2. To walk through the code and highlight the concepts I used, I first created a custom class called Movie, and it includes 2 properties, title and rating. And then this is a dynamic array structure. When the user clicks the Add Movie button, the app takes the title and rating from the form and validates the input and then adds it to the list. And then I used proper naming conventions for all controls and methods, such as the add button, the movies list, and the update stats. And this is to keep the code readable. I also added comments within the code to explain what I was doing and each method's purpose, especially for sorting and statistics. And I also implemented a bubble sort algorithm in the sorting section, as you can see here. And that's where I compared each pair of movies and it swaps their position based on their rating. This is a good example of the O and the power of 2 algorithm we talked about in Lecture 7, Part 2. And that's used here. And then in order to calculate the average rating, I used an accumulator variable inside a loop. And for this, I focused on the totaling and averaging concepts discussed in the Lecture 7. And then I also used a loop through the list to find the highest and lowest ratings, which shows basic searching capabilities we discussed. And then finally, I updated the user interface using the update list and the update stats. And these methods were in order to keep everything clear and readable as well. That's my entire project, and I've included the GitHub link in my comments of my submission. Thank you for watching.